So apparently eggs could be the secret to building stronger muscles, sharpening your vision, and boosting your overall health, despite the fact that most people avoid it thinking it's bad for them. In today's video, we are going to be discussing about the surprising science behind eggs. You want to stick around because by the end, you will never look at breakfast the same way again. As we all know, eggs have been a staple in diets around the world for centuries. From a simple boiled egg in the morning to a gourmet omelette at brunch, this little overall food packs an impressive nutritional punch. Eggs are more than just a source of protein. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and special compounds that support your muscles, brain, and eye, while also promoting overall health. As a matter of fact, eggs are so versatile that they can be eaten at any time of the day, prepared in countless ways, and still deliver consistent health benefits. So in the end, we want to understand why eating eggs daily is not just safe for most people. It's actually highly beneficial, and how this simple food can be one of the most effective additions to your diet. 1. Muscle and overall strength. Protein power. One large egg contains about 6 to 7 grams of high-quality protein. What makes egg protein particularly remarkable is that it's complete, meaning it provides all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. This matters because amino acids are building blocks of muscle tissue. Without them, muscles cannot repair or grow efficiently. Also, consuming eggs after workout helps repair muscle fibers, making your muscles stronger and more resilient over time. Research shows that eating eggs post-exercise stimulates muscle protein synthesis more effectively than some other protein sources. For older adults, eggs are especially valuable, helping preserve muscle mass, maintain mobility, and reduce the risk of injury. Think of your muscles like a brick wall, and protein as the mortar. Without enough high-quality protein, the wall can't hold up properly. Eggs provide that mortar in a simple, convenient package. Even professional athletes and bodybuilders rely on eggs as a quick, nutrient-dense source of protein that's easy to digest, affordable, and versatile for any meal. 2. Eggs are nutritional powerhouses. Eggs are small, but they punch way above their weight in nutrition. They contain vitamins A, B12, D, E, and riboflavins, minerals, selenium, phosphorus, and iodine, and healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids in enriched eggs. Eggs are one of the best sources of choline, a nutrient critical for brain function, memory, and liver health. Studies also link regular egg consumption to improved cognitive performance and a lower risk of certain chronic diseases. Imagine trying to get all these nutrients separately: vitamins from one food, minerals from another, healthy fats from yet another. It's complicated and expensive. Eggs simplifies it all. One food, multiple benefits. Combined eggs with vegetables like spinach, tomatoes, or bell peppers for a meal that supports heart health, eye health, and digestive functions simultaneously. Omelettes and frittatas are perfect examples of this synergy. 3. Eye health. Eggs are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that accumulate in your retina and protect your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. This matters because it reduces the risk of age-related macular degeneration, AMD, a leading cause of vision loss. Also, it protects against cataracts, which cloud the lens of the eye over time. A study published in Investigative Ophthalmology and Visual Science showed that people that ate egg regularly had higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the eye, supporting long-term retinal health. Think about how much time we spend staring at screens, phones, computers, and TVs. Eating eggs is like giving your eye a protective shield against digital strain and long-term damage. Lightly cooking eggs, such as boiling or poaching, increases bioavailability of lutein, which means your body can absorb it more effectively. Adding a small amount of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado can further enhance absorption. 4. Heart health and cholesterol. Many people worry that eggs raise cholesterol, But here's what science says. One large egg contains about 186 milligrams of cholesterol. Yet studies show that for most heavy people, dietary cholesterol has minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels. Also, eggs can actually improve HDL, good cholesterol, supporting overall heart health. A 2019 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that daily egg consumption did not increase heart disease risk in healthy individuals. The nutrients in eggs, including choline and lutein, may even support cardiovascular health. Instead of fearing cholesterol from eggs, think of them as helping your body maintain balance, raising the good cholesterol while delivering essential nutrients your heart needs. How to include eggs in your diet? Most people can safely eat 1 to 2 eggs daily. Best options include boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled. You might want to pair eggs with vegetables for extra fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And for variety, you might want to try omelette, frittatas, shakshuka, or egg salads. Even people with mild cholesterol concerns can enjoy eggs if they balance their diet with fiber-rich foods, healthy fats, and lean protein. The key is moderation and variety, not avoidance. Eggs aren't just for breakfast. They are a muscle builder, nutrient powerhouse, and guardian for your eyes. Eating eggs daily is one of the simplest ways to support your body, brain, and vision, all while enjoying delicious, versatile meals that can be prepared in countless ways. How do you like your eggs better? Let me know in the comments because I am very interested. Bye!